Hi, this is Mark. Welcome to the Setting Up Value Bars video. In this video, I'm going to walk users through how to apply value bars to any traditional price chart. The first step we take is to open up the right side menu by left-clicking this arrow to the right of the price chart. Once the right side menu has been expanded, simply click on the center icon which represents the Value Charts Indicator Suite. Notice that the fourth indicator, or the last indicator icon on the top row, represents the Value Bars indicator. Simply left-click this to apply value bars to the price chart and to open up the Format Indicators dialog box. Notice that Value Bars shares the same parameters as the Value Charts price window, Price Action Profile, and the Master Value Charts window. This makes it easy for traders to understand how to modify the focus of market valuation from either short-term, using values closer to 5, or longer-term, using values closer to 50 bars. I want to simply click the OK button to accept the default value of 5. Now that we've applied value bars to the charting screen, we want to apply one more additional indicator to help us illustrate what's happening with value bars. We're going to apply a Value Charts Price window simply by left-clicking on the Value Charts Price window icon. Again, we're going to accept the default value of 5. In order to expand the charting window, we're going to go ahead and minimize the right side menu by left-clicking this arrow located to the right of the price chart. To start things off, let's review the Value Charts Price window. Notice that the Value Charts Price window is organized in 5 different primary valuation zones. We notice that the extreme valuation zones, which are titled Significantly Overvalued or Significantly Undervalued, are colored red. Moving in from there, we can see that the moderate zones are colored yellow, and these are titled Moderately Undervalued and Moderately Overvalued. Moving in from there, we see that fair value is colored greens. The fair value price zone represents about 68% of value charts price activity. All we've essentially done in creating the value bars is superimpose the color scheme from the value charts price window onto traditional open, high, low, closed charts. So if we go down and view a value charts price bar and see that it traded in the significantly undervalued range, the moderately undervalued range, and the fair value range, then we can move up and expect to see the colors that correspond to the valuation ranges reflected on the price bar. And we see this. We see the bottom portion of the price bar on the top chart colored red, the middle portion colored yellow to correspond with moderately undervalued, and the top of this particular bar colored green. Value bars essentially allow us to view market valuation without even having the value charts price window open. So in this particular case, I'm going to go ahead and close down the Value Charts Price window, leaving only the value bars visible on the screen. The implications of the color coding here, the color scheme on value bars, are fairly easy to understand. These lower segments of the bars that are colored red represent trading activity in the significantly undervalued valuation zone. The lower portions of these bar segments that are colored yellow represent trading activity occurring in the moderately undervalued valuation zone. The green bar segments represent trading activity in fair value. The upper yellow bar segments represent trading activity in moderately overvalued, and the upper bar segments colored red represent trading activity in the significantly overvalued valuation zone. Notice that whatever symbol I have applied to the traditional price chart and whatever bar interval I have applied to the traditional price chart are going to apply to the value bars as well. Suppose we want to view daily bars instead of 60-minute bars. I simply change the bar interval to daily. This allows us to view this same chart for the Japanese yen US dollar cross in terms of daily instead of 60-minute. If I want to change the bar interval to 1 minute, I can do that as well. Changing the parameter values for the value bars indicator works exactly the same way as with any other value charts indicator. I simply hold my mouse over the title of the indicator located at the top of the charting window, in this case ValueBars, and left click. This opens up the Format Indicator dialog box and allows me to change parameter values, or in this case delete this indicator from the window. Now it's important to note that there's only one way to delete the ValueBars indicator from the charting window, and that's through the Format Indicator dialog box. Simply checking the delete checkbox and selecting OK deletes the ValueBars indicator from the charting screen. This concludes the video setting up ValueBars. Thanks for watching.